Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Effective tomorrow, the price of all categories of fuel will decline. A liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for $4.50 less. That's the lowest ex-refinery rate for these categories since the fourth week of February this year. Diesel, ultra-low sulfur diesel and kerosene will also go down by $4.50. $1.50 will be taken off the cost of propane and 4 cents from butane. Manufacturing and distribution company Seprod made more profit in its third quarter ended September. After clearing tax obligations for the 3 months, the company made $1 billion, an increase of $557 million over the same period last year. Seprod's revenue also went up by $12.3 billion, totaling $23.6 billion. The increase was driven by June's acquisition of the Trinidad-based Bryden Group. There was also a 16% year-to-date increase in exports and the addition of a new snack line. Wind energy company Wigton Wind Farm raked in more profit in its second quarter ended September. Post-tax earnings came to $138.25 million compared to the $105.7 million last year. Wigton Wind Farm's second quarter revenue amounted to $646 million, an increase over the same period last year when the company made $602 million. Wigton, the quarter's performance brought the company's earnings for the 6 months to $1.4 billion. Wigton says there was an 8.6% increase in wind energy supply. The Jamaica Chamber of Commerce has a new president. Michael McMorris was elected at its annual general meeting on Tuesday to serve a 1-year term. He succeeds Ian Nita, Group Executive Director of Yellow Media. Mr. McMorris is a principal CEO of Kronos Investment and Development and chairman of the Victoria Mutual Group. He served as a vice president of the JCC for the past 5 years. 4 vice presidents were elected to serve with him. The US dollar is being sold for an average $154.90. $117.02 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $181.28 for the pound, while it's costing an average $163.41 for the euro. And to the stock market now, the JSE index rose by 1,526 points today, while the junior market index fell by 27 points. Leading the winners, I Create, Main Event Entertainment Group, Epley Carbon Property Fund SCC, Cygnus Credit Investments, and Sterling Investments US dollar shares. Decliners include Productive Business Solutions 9.75% CR shares, Jamaica Public Service 9.5%, Palace Amusement, Everything Fresh, and Sterling Investments. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.